Today, I'm going to teach you how to get a shadow copy of all users' emails in Google Workspace. This is particularly useful for administrators who need to ensure comprehensive email archiving and compliance across their organization. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open a web browser and navigate to admin.google.com. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your Google Workspace environment. You'll need to sign in with your Google Workspace administrator account, so make sure you have those credentials ready. Only accounts with admin privileges can access these settings, which is important for maintaining security and control over your organization's email policies. Once you're signed in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see your admin menu with various management options. From this menu, locate and click on Apps. This section contains all the Google services available to your organization and their respective settings. Within the Apps menu, you'll see several options. Click on Google Workspace to access the core suite of productivity tools. This is where you can manage settings for Gmail, Drive, Calendar, and other essential services your organization uses daily. Now, under the Google Workspace menu, look for Gmail and click on it. This brings you to all the configuration options specifically for your organization's email system. Here's where you can control everything from security settings to delivery rules. In the Gmail settings, navigate to the compliance section. This area is designed for administrators who need to set policies around email retention, routing, and archiving. It's a critical section for organizations that must meet regulatory or legal requirements for email storage. Within compliance, locate the option called Comprehensive Mail Storage. This feature is what enables the shadow copy functionality you're looking for. Click on the checkbox next to ensure that a copy of all sent and received mail is stored in associated users' mailboxes. Enabling this setting guarantees that every email sent or received within your organization is preserved, creating a reliable audit trail and backup system. Finally, to activate this setting, click Override. This confirms your changes and applies the comprehensive mail storage policy across all user accounts in your workspace. And that's it. Your Google Workspace is now configured to maintain shadow copies of all user emails. Thanks for watching.